We'll guide you through how to download and install PostgreSQL and PgAdmin. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
We will go through everything step by step, and by the end of this video, you will have PostgreSQL and PgAdmin ready to use for their project. First, open any web browser into your computer, and in my case, I'm using Google Chrome, and in the search bar, just type PostgreSQL download and hit enter, and you will see this official website by postgresql.org. Just click on it to open, and after that you will be prompted to select your operating system. Just choose your operating system. In my case, it's going to be Windows, so I'll just click on Windows, and here you will see and download the installer. Just click on it and select your PostgreSQL version. In my case, I'm gonna select the one for Windows, so I'll just click on it, and my setup exe will start downloading. So I'll just wait for it to finish. It's about 355 MB. And after the exe has downloaded, just click on it to open the setup wizard, and you will see the PostgreSQL setup wizard appear. Just click on next, and you will be asked to specify your directory. Just click on next. Now you will see a list of components to install. Make sure all the 4 checkboxes are selected for PostgreSQL, PgAdmin4, Stack Builder, and command line tools. These are all important, so do not uncheck any of them and just click on next. Now you will see data directory. This is where PostgreSQL will store all its databases files. So it's fine to leave this as default and just click on next. Now comes an important step, creating a password for PostgreSQL super user account. Type a password that you will remember because you will need it later on. Just type a password, and after typing, just retype the password once again to confirm and click on next. The next screen shows the default port number. PostgreSQL uses 5432 by default. You can just leave it as it is and click on next. Just click on next and click on next. Wait for the PostgreSQL to install on your computer. And once the installation is complete, you will see a checkbox asking if you want to launch Stack Builder. Stack Builder lets you download extra tools, driver, and plugin for PostgreSQL. For now, we can just close it as this is optional and click on yes. Now let's open PgAdmin4. Just go to the Windows search bar and search for PgAdmin4, and from the recommendation you can just open it. And as you can see, PgAdmin4 is starting. And when the PgAdmin opens, you will see the main interface. On the left hand side, you will see an option labeled as server. Just click on the arrow to expand it, and it will ask you for the password you created during PostgreSQL installation. Just enter that password. You can just click on save password and click on OK. Now PgAdmin is connected to your PostgreSQL server. You can see your server and start exploring. You can create new databases, manage users, and run SQL queries using this easy interface. PgAdmin makes it much simpler to work with PostgreSQL without using command line tools. At this point, PostgreSQL and PgAdmin4 are installed and ready to use. You now have a full working database system and management tool inside your computer. You can create projects, test queries, and learn SQL safely. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tech tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.